Hi, I'm Rebekah Aff and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm an entrepreneur and I've created this channel to help you start your business online, whether it be an affiliate marketing business or other kind of online business. I'm going to give you videos with how-tos, tutorials, and reviews of the relevant marketing softwares and online business tools, including plugins and apps, email automation softwares, funnel building softwares, and I hope to help you start your own online business or affiliate marketing business. I will also be teaching step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that you'll be informed as I release new content each week on Tuesdays. And comment below and introduce yourself. I hope to see you in the following videos.